I'm Ankit Bansal, and welcome back to the channel. This is agent number 8, a reviews and reputation agent in Node.js. It reads every review, drafts a reply in your brand voice, and flags anything that needs a human, running on a local model with no API keys. Here's how it works. A review comes into an Express agent. It reads the review in your brand voice. Then one local LLM call classifies the sentiment, drafts a public reply, decides if it needs a human, and pulls a quote worth featuring. All is clean JSON. Here's the reviews agent. Pick an incoming review. A glowing 5-star review. It drafts a warm reply in your brand voice and pulls a feature-worthy quote for your product page. An angry 1-star refund. It owns the mistake, offers a fix, and flags it for a human. Every review gets the right response automatically. So that's a real reviews agent. Sentiment, a ready reply, escalation for the tough ones, and UGC for the great ones. Fully local, no API keys. The code is in the description. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned, because in the next video we'll build the next agent on the list. See you there.